Okay, so just one last selector to show you here, and this one's actually very simple. This is the all selectors, and it's used by using an asterisk, and generally you only use it once. I've only seen it used once within any web page, and a lot of times it's called like a reset, where a lot of times, as you've seen with HTML, there aren't predefined styles already set on all the fonts and things that you use. So for instance, if you were to create an H1 or a header 1 tag and then put some paragraph copy below it, it's actually giving like a margin of space in between that header tag and the paragraph tag. By doing an all selector, a lot of times what people do is they reset all those default HTML styles and they say everything in HTML have a zero margin, have zero padding, and things like that to reset all those settings so that any new styles that are applied are all custom to that web page. It just kind of prevents any kind of conflicts between the default CSS or the default styles within HTML and the CSS that you're writing. So again, generally you'll only see this written once, and it's usually its own CSS file, resetting a lot of the things. It can be used a couple other ways, but for the most part we're just going to be worrying about ID and class selectors throughout the rest of this class.